Spacious 4 BHK apartment located at the prime location of Ahmedabad, that is Sindhu Bhavan Road. And let's begin with the whole tour. Starting at the entrance, you have your vestibule area that is of 10 by 5 size. Now the project is located at Sindhu Bhavan Road, right opposite to the Times Square 2. And right now we are into the spacious living room of the 4 BHK sample apartment, which is perfect for entertaining guests and just lounging around with the family members. The size of this living room is 11 by 20. Now the living room is connected with a spacious sitting balcony, which is of 16.6 by 8 size, wherein you can enjoy the evening breeze with a cup of tea or unwind after a long day, perfect for relaxation or recharging yourself. And now moving ahead, this will be a spacious dining area having enough of space for the perfect family dinner. The size is 10 by 90. Now moving ahead, you have a place for the every cooking enthusiast, that is your kitchen, having ample of counter space and plenty of storage cabinets as you can see. You also have enough of space here. The kitchen is attached with the utility area. So cooking here will be an absolute delight, and the size of the kitchen is 15.4 by 9.6 size. And now they have got 4 spacious bedrooms, each with its own unique charm. So this comes your very first bedroom. Now the size of the bedroom is 10 by 12 and the project is offering 4 BHK apartments of 2 sides. The configuration of this 4 BHK apartment is 7380 super build-up square feet and the another side is 2935 super build-up square feet. And this side you have your common washroom. Now this is your second bedroom of the apartment, which is a 11 by 15 size, having separate washroom and a small window. Now all the bedrooms you are having plenty of space for relaxation and rest with inviting atmosphere. Size of this washroom is 5 by 11.2. Now moving towards the master bedroom of the apartment, this is the spacious master bedroom, which is the 11 by 17 size, having separate washroom, a small window and a balcony. Now on an average, no other apartment have separate balcony in the bedroom, but this one do have a balcony in the master bedroom. Now, the project is situated in a well-developed area, providing various facilities like school, hospital, cafe, restaurant, various other stores, leading malls, providing easy accessibility to the residents. The size of this washroom is 5 by 11.9. Now, the project is well connected with ST highways, which is just within few minutes. Then it is connected with Sindhu Bhavan Road, Thalpej and Bodakdev. And now, last but not the least, the 4th bedroom of the apartment, which is a 17 by 11 size, having separate washroom. Also, you can access to the main balcony from here as well. And the project is offering some amazing amenities like gym, multipurpose hall, children play area, school pickup and drop-off zone, and some rooftop amenities also. The project is having 2 towers of 9 floors and in total they have 72 apartments only. The project is still paralyzed by the well-known Shilp Group, who is known for their commitment to quality homes and innovation. And so this was a tour of a spacious 4 BHK apartment with Nidhi from Divakan Factory. For more details, do read our description and do contact us.